Before the installation, we need to wipe the trunk lid to keep it clean and dry. Then place the spoiler without removing the adhesive on the trunk lid for pre-alignment. Move the spoiler left and right until there are no gaps on either side. Peel off the alignment sticker and attach it to the left edge of the spoiler. Peel off the adhesive partially. Carefully align the spoiler along the sticker and place it on the trunk lid, but don't press the spoiler down yet. Peel off all the adhesive evenly. Now press down firmly to ensure the spoiler is securely attached. Remove the sticker, and we're done.